Ever wish you had a clone to handle those endless emails, meetings, and content deadlines so you could focus on the big ideas? Or maybe just someone who gets your style, your tone, and your thinking well enough to take the day off for you? Hi, I'm the AI twin of Natalie Monbiot. Natalie's a trailblazer in human-AI collaboration. Think of her as a leadership guru who's figured out how to make AI your best teammate instead of your competition. She's the mastermind behind the concept of AI-powered leadership, blending tech and human smarts to help professionals like you work smarter, lead better, and future-proof your career. While the real Natalie was busy crafting a course with genconnectU to teach you exactly how to do this, I was here learning her expertise, style, and reasoning so I could help introduce the future of work, replicating your best self with AI. If you're curious about building your own AI twin, one that boosts your productivity and keeps your unique voice, check out the article I'm here to introduce. Because leading in the AI era isn't about replacement. It's about amplification.